Hello students, this is Mrs. Miller, and the purpose of this video is to introduce you to idioms. Now, idioms are a group of words whose collective meaning is quite different from their individual literal meaning. And idioms are one of the things that make English so hard because when you translate it, it doesn't mean anything like what is written there on the page. So here's an example. When Ben joined the military, Dad said he was swimming with sharks. Well, Dad didn't mean he was actually in the water swimming with sharks. There are no sharks. It just means that Bill was in a lot of danger. Here's a non-example. After falling overboard, I saw that I was swimming with sharks. Well, you might notice that it's the same phrase, but in this non-example, it really does mean that the person was swimming with sharks, so it keeps its literal meaning. So you have to use it in context, or understand the context in which it's used to see if it's an idiom or not an idiom. Now, when translated into another language, idioms do not make sense. And many idioms have historical explanations. We could go online and look up the origin of many idioms to see where they come from. So this is how the final product will look in your interactive notebook. You'll cut the definition page out and glue it into your notebook. Don't forget to leave a space here at the top so that when we do our figurative language sort, you can put the pieces in there. Okay? Now, here is a poem or song lyrics by Adele. It's called Rolling in the Deep. It says, "Throw your soul through every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold. You'll pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow." I've already highlighted the idioms that are used, and I'm going to put the meaning of the idioms. I'll just write it on the side with my sticky note, and you could either use a sticky note or just write it right in your notebook. So the first one, pay back in kind, or you'll pay me back in kind, means you'll get the same as you gave me. So whatever you give me is what's going to happen to you. And then the other one, reap what you sow, means you'll get what you deserve. So be sure to write the meaning of these two idioms in your interactive notebook.